My name is Vikas Kartikeya. I'm studying in PP1 in Ghana Vidyalaya. My father's name is Mall Transport. Air Transport, Hotel Transport, Air Transport, Train Transport, Bus, Auto, Lorry,
ఏమది
Boat, Aeroplane,
తెలుసు కదా నీకు చెప్పు
Helicopter,
ఏరోప్లేన్
Aeroplane,
ఏరోప్లేన్
Aeroplane, Train, Duck.